So this is the front of the house. I want to do something for Meatball. This door goes away, this window goes away. I'm thinking I want like a private patio off of the master for Meatball. Welcome to part 5 of the stock tank pool install here at my home. Do you know it was a struggle to remodel this house? If there was a problem, I stumbled across it. If there was a crook, I found him. So every failure, every moment that I wasn't able to be in here, it cost money. This area here was to be a pool. And one of those options I didn't want to lose is that's a pool. And the pool, the swimming pool, the splash pool, the lap pool was the first to go. Well, if you've been watching this project, Meatball had a private space that he didn't like. He wasn't using it. What if I found a way to reclaim that swimming pool dream, to steal Mr. Meatball's private space? And what if I could do it all for $2,000? So welcome to part 5, the final chapter of me installing a stock tank swimming pool. Here's an update. Here's what you didn't see. I capped off my wall. It actually follows the roof line now. It looks good. While you're out, what you didn't see, I hung a sunshade. $35 from Amazon. I had the existing hardware. I'm not adding it to the budget because it was a gift for those who clicked the link. It follows the angle of the gable. But hold on, I'm excited about something because I just had a delivery. I shopped all around for artificial grass. The problem was I saw the premium quality first. And I'm happy to say that the premium has been delivered. That is the artificial grass. And that is the total with the artificial grass. I'm eager to see it. I looked at one. It felt like hard green plastic. This one was a premium turf with a premium price, but it's all for the better. Okay. You know what's more about the vlog than this project, but I'm going ahead and mention it. I was injured doing this. I think it was when I was pressure pounding the ground to be able to put this artificial grass. I think I bruised the rib. Yeah. Pay for that. I don't know if it's heavy or I'm weak. That's even there. This side needs to be cut. So if that's a stitching, I'm gonna go in between. Okay. Huh. That was surprisingly easy. Just not left-handed. So look, spike. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grid the grass out, and I'm gonna say every 6 to 8 inches, every 7 inches, I'm gonna put a spike. Spread the blades and fluff. So then what I'm creating is if I pinch a piece, the grass stays down. So I have a firm brush. If I brush it in the proper way, they stand up. This is infill. It's green covered silicone sand, I believe. And what's gonna happen is I'm gonna sprinkle this all throughout, and it's gonna make a base, and it's going to help the blades stand up. You take a firm brush and you scrub it in. All right. Tacked, glued, stretched, nailed, and now infilled. But this is the problem du jour. Yeah, to say I miscalculated is a compliment, because it would mean I would have had to calculate. The problem is the pump cannot be where I thought. If I left the pump there, the ground would erode and cover my jet exports. And I could give you a list of why that's going to be better. It's not what I wanted. Hole, higher than 22, 4 board, 45, I need 3 of these. I don't want to say that's your new home because you never had a home. This is the detail that tells you that the puppy pool party is soon. It is official because Meatball's Puppy Pool Park is open. 5 weeks ago, I posted the first video about reclaiming Meatball's space. This is the 5th video, so it took me 5 weeks to complete it. I did it with extra time and extra money. Speaking about money, let's visit the budget. So with $1,730 being our carryover balance, what's $65 plus $50 plus $350 plus $1,730?
That would be $2,165.
I now have to tell my client that I've gone over $165. But is it quality? Did I do a good job? Let's go look at it. Before Mister Meatball, there was Mr. Rucco. And Mr. Rucco loved the pool so much. He loved the pool so much, he loved to put his toys, he floated on his raft. And I want you to experience that. Are you ready? Are you ready? Move that bus. Hey! Run!